Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make longer videos on Snapchat. Basically showing you how to make a video that won't be split up in several different snaps. It will be just one big snap overall. So how to do that? Just open up Snapchat and click on the little video icon on the top right here. This will enable the long snap mode. So right now as you can see, I'm just recording something. If I click it, you see this little line how fast it's going currently, but it's quite longer than usually. And right now you can see it will start to go even slower. And you can pretty much do whatever you want in this current Amauer framework. And you can add sounds, effects. Let's just wait it up for finish. You can prematurely stop it from here, of course, but I just want to show you. And you can see each time it's gonna get slower and slower and slower. Anyway, let's stop it. So when you're ready, you can add sounds, edits, or whatever. Just click the little yellow tick here. And as you can see, it's an entire video from here. You can trim it, of course, and you can send it to whoever you want. You can send it to your story, or you can even send it to yourself. And when you open it, you can see that it's one huge video, not just several videos cut up into more snaps. And that's it. Hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.